Hi, this video is to show you how you can help your child get into FASTbridge learning in order to take their online assessments. You can see that I'm in a student's ClassLink account, and I'm going to type in the name of the app. It's called Illuminate, and as I start typing it in, it'll pop up. We want the Illuminate student non-SSO. If there happens to be two, make sure you're clicking on the one that says non-SSO. This screen should pop up. You don't need to fill out anything. All you need to do is come down to where it says sign in with Google, this red area, and click on it. And as this loads, you should see your student's name. If there's multiple accounts that you have with Google, you'll just click on your student's name. And this is going to take us to the Illuminate home connection. Here you should see your child's name and these three boxes. We're not going to do anything with these three boxes right now. We're actually going to come over to this black area and we're going to scroll down until we see FASTbridge Learning, and we're going to click on that. And that's going to take us to the website where our universal screeners are. Again, you should see your child's name, and sometimes before this box, I can tell you there might be two boxes that say screening on one button and progress monitoring on the other. Just make sure you're choosing the screening button, and then this page should load up. If you click on the box here called Fast Track Reading, both assessments, aReading and Autoreading, will populate one after the other. This year, Autoreading is populating first. If you decide you don't want or don't have time to take both tests at the same time, click on the button that said More Tests. Use your down arrow key or your touchpad and scroll down until you see Autoreading and aReading. I want to share with you what Autoreading looks like first. So when you click on Autoreading, you'll see where it says click on a button to begin. Your child only needs to do the buttons that are in green. So encoding, vocabulary, identification, and warm up. Always start with warm up. So if I click here, I should see my student's
Choose the
name.
picture that matches the word you hear. Be sure to choose the best answer quickly and carefully. If you don't know it, we'll move to the next one. Before moving to the next one, the shadow of the buttons will turn green, yellow, and then red. Try one for practice.
And you can see that you could go out, begin to practice. It actually does give you several practice ones before you are to take the Autoreading test. Let's say we want to go back now and we want to take the aReading test. We can get back to this page. Again, we come back to this FASTbridge Learning on the left-hand side. Load up to FASTbridge again. Click on More Tests. Scroll down. This time we're going to choose aReading.
Today you are going to do an activity on the computer. You will be answering some hard questions and some easy questions. Just raise your hand if you need help. If you did not hear what the person said, click on the Listen button to hear the directions again. When you are ready to continue, click on the Next button. You will always click on this when you are finished answering a question.
One thing I want to tell you about aReading is make sure your student can see all four choices in each question. If by chance their screen gets shortened or it gets a little cut off, make sure they use their arrow keys to kind of touch the pad and go up and down. There's always four choices with every question that students are taking in aReading. All right, and that is how you can help your child get to the proper website in order to take their universal screening tests.